Hey everyone, I'm Matt. Welcome to the channel. I'm all about hiking, epic adventures and exploring the UK and beyond. If you love the outdoors, discovering new places and want to be inspired, then hit that subscribe button and join me on my epic journey. Hello everyone and welcome. I hope everyone's well. My name is Matt and this is Matt's Adventures Unleashed. As you can see, I'm in Dinorwic quarry today. I'm going to take you a tour around there. I've never been here before, so it's all new to me. And I've seen lots of things on like Instagram and videos and pictures and that. It looks beautiful, so let's go. So I've just found a nice little viewpoint. Wow. Let me show you what I could see. Look at that. See a lot from here, like. I think, don't quote me on this, but I think that might be Snowdon. I'm not entirely sure, because I've never been here before. I don't even know what it looks like from different directions. So if it is, give me a high five in the comments. If not, tell me what mountain that really is. Wow. Look at that lake down there. Beautiful, absolutely beautiful. Love hanging around here. Let's go, shall we? I've just found some old abandoned buildings. So let's just take a peek, shall we? I'm not allowed in there, but hopefully I can get the camera through the door and then show you around that way. It says keep out and there's a fence around them. So let's have a look, shall we? Oh, can't. That's how far I can get, unfortunately. So far it extends, but yeah. Got an old house and a nice long house over there as well. This place is immense. It's crazy how big it is. All that slate and everything else as well. Wow. It. Absolutely amazing. Views and mountains around here as well. Let's go through this cave here. It should take you straight to the waterfall. There it is. Obviously nice as epic. Hey? Yeah, not too bad, you? Just entering the cave, I met this nice guy with his two dogs. Unfortunately, I never got his name, but we ended up talking to each other about how many times he's been there and what other places in the quarry he's been, etc.
And have you been in here before?
I've never been here before.
Oh,
No,
you've
no,
never
no.
been
It's
in?
first time.
There's one with all the paintings in, isn't there?
Is there?
Yeah.
Okay, where's that?
Fuck
You
if
don't
I
know.
This is probably my 10th or 12th time of coming in.
Oh, okay.
And I've gone through there, and there's a ledge that come round the back of this one.
Yeah.
And I've been up onto the top of there.
Oh, okay.
But there's a tunnel up the top here.
Yeah.
In this, but
Right.
I think you've got to get, I don't know, I'm assuming you've got to get to it from this side. And there's also a tunnel up in this face up there. If you go around there, you can see it.
It sounds like a maze, like.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, so, yeah, I'm just out looking for that at the minute.
Oh, okay. Considering you've been here 10 times, it's great.
And yeah, so
Yeah. Yeah, so I haven't
every time
found
I
it.
come and see something different as well.
Yeah. Oh, you got some nice dogs here.
Yeah.
Oh, hello.
He
Right.
fricked me to death, that young one, because he's only 7 months old. This
Oh,
one's
right.
a bit wiser with
Yeah.
all these ledges and things, but that
Oh.
young one,
Yeah, they do,
he
don't
gets
they?
right behind your heels. When you're going past bits like this, he's
Yeah.
right on your old heels.
Oh, bless them.
There you are. Hi, dude. Have a
Oh,
good
cool.
night.
And you too, mate. Cheers. Nice meeting you. Thank you. Bye-bye. Well, this is it. It's quite epic, actually. Wow. Let's send you off the edge. Let's go. Tilt that way. And tilt that way. Imagine falling down there. Ooh. No, thank you. I'll show you the entrance on how to get in here later on. Just want to explore some of all these caves. Wow. Love it. That's why I started hiking. For this. For things like this. Little hidden gems. Exploring mountains, summits. Absolutely awesome. And you get to meet some nice people as well. Like the guy beforehand with the two dogs. Not gods, by the way, dogs. Yeah. Wow. It's quite cold in here as well, but it's a nice temperature. So, well, let's do some more exploring. Let's go. So this is the other side of the quarry. A little waterfall, it's like a little cave down there. place is just epic. Absolutely immense. I know I keep saying that, but it truly is. Made this. Let's go through this fence here, like I'm doing now, and then follow the path up to the cave just up there. And as you can see, it's not that hard to find. So all you have to do is come over that gate, walk along this path here, and then through that hole. And then you'll be in the quarry. Okay, now we've explored the main bit of that quarry. I'm going to head off to the living quarters, or barracks that they used to stay in. Oh, just a quick thing as well. You may notice that I've got a name change. And the reason for that name change is that I didn't like the middle bit, which is the hiking bit. I wanted to have like the adventure within the name. So I thought, why not? I'll change it. It does sound a little bit better. And I am going on adventures. I don't want my channel just to be for hiking. I just want to explore, travel, and adventure all over the place, really. So that's why I had the name change. I hope you guys like the name change. So if you do, just give it a thumbs up in the comments and say why you like it. Or if not, we're tough. It's staying as it is. Loving the views today, really am, and loving exploring North Wales. I've had an enjoyable week so far. This is the third day of exploring and that, so yeah, got another 4 days to go, and tomorrow, hopefully, fingers crossed, it's Snowdon, so I can't wait to show you that. So I've just arrived at the living quarters, and look at it. Let me turn you around. Wow, it's kind of crazy. Such a big long line of houses. Let's go have a explore one of these houses, shall we? So you walk through the doorway here. Once you enter the kitchen area, hallway, living room. And you got another room next door as well, which is most probably, or would have been, the bedroom. And when you wake up in the morning, you can look out and wave to your good morning neighbour across the street and give him a good old wave. Wow, man. Absolutely epic. Let me get the drone out. awesome place this is. Wow. I hope the drone footage did it some justice. I really do. Because it's such a lovely area. And if I just stay quiet, so peaceful as well. Not a breath of wind, not one person. All you can hear is the birds. Wow, man. So I've just come across some more of these houses, but these ones are quite special because these ones has, oh my god, I nearly tripped over, a fireplace. Right there, and a view out to the lake, and some mountains. Imagine waking up to that every single day. This is where the bosses must have been, because I can't see any of the other guys sleeping here, that's for sure. It's very slaty around here as well. Yeah. Right, I'm off to Aber Falls now. A nice little waterfall. So next time you see me, I'll be there. Okay, I've just arrived at Ada Falls car park. Not sure how much car parking is, but I'll let you guys know in the description box once I've paid for it. It's quite a nice little river as well. I think we follow this river all the way up to the waterfalls. So let's go. Yeah, so like I said, we are around here in this car park here, and we are going to follow this river all the way to the falls, which is there. That's Radar Falls or Aber Falls. So yeah, so it's not too bad. I think it's like an hour and a half in total. So you look about 45 minutes there and 45 minutes back. My god, that waterfall looks epic. Look at it, it's right there. Oh my god, so excited. Oh, it's so tall as well. Wow, let's go. So I've arrived. Wow, looks epic, man. Absolutely epic. Looks awesome. Have you ever seen something so good and lovely? Oh man, let's get drone out, shall we? It's a shame that I got to leave this place, but those drone shots were pretty epic, right? Oh my god. For an epic waterfall, epic drone shots, for sure. It's got to be one of the best waterfalls I've ever been to, and I really can't wait to come back to this place. I highly recommend this place to everyone, I really do. It's quite an easy walk to do, takes about half an hour to 45 minutes to get up here, and about the same to get back. It's about an hour and a half in total. So yeah, and it's about what, a mile and a half as well. So definitely worth the walk or hike. So yeah, really impressed with this. I really am. I'm so happy I got to come here. I really am. Okay guys, unfortunately I've got to end this video here. It's been a really good day today. I really enjoyed it. I really have. I've explored so many places in the last couple of days. It's unbelievable. And today as well. So tomorrow is my last day of exploring Wales and Snowdonia. I am going to be doing other videos here, so I'll be doing the Welsh 100, but I'm not including that as part of this series. So the last vlog that I'll be doing will be the one me climbing up Snowdon. I know Snowdon is part of the Welsh 100, but I'll just want to do it to see what it's like and just say that I've done it already. But I will be doing a separate video of that because I want to do Cryptgok and then Snowdon that way. I haven't had much experience with ridges yet, so I just want to get some more ridges out the way first. There's a few that I got planned, so hopefully once I get those out the way, I can then tackle Cryptgok. So if you've enjoyed my video today guys, please give it a good old like, press the subscribe button and leave a comment in the comment box below. So until next time guys, thank you for watching. See you later.